waterproofing for the using cementitious products we can carry out for swimming pools, water tanks, toilets and balconies. So I don't want to go into detail about these products. I'll just skip those and then I'll just show a small video about how the system is done. This is cementitious coating, how it is applied in a wet area. This is Sika Topsil 107, which is a cementitious coating. It is a 2-component material which is having polymer liquid content and then powder content. So that should be mixed, no dilution of water. So it should be mixed with the mixer machine and then applied with the brush. After that you can apply directly the 2 coats of cementitious coating. So coming to like what are the major problems which we face in like wet areas. So major criteria is surface preparation is very important in wet area waterproofing. So grinding should be properly done, and after that major leakages will be faced through the bore packings where the pipe penetrations will be there. There is the major issue for the leakages. So for that we need to take proper action. So for this first we need to this PVC pipe should be roughened and then apply the epoxy bonding agent. After epoxy bonding agent application you need to go for sand sprinkling, and then you can apply the general purpose grout over the available space in the periphery of the pipe. So after applying this, generally we face like in the side issues like cracks over the bore packing, we'll face the cracks. So for that what we have like came across is like we kept an epoxy putty around the layer. So you can see the white color epoxy putty over that. This is moisture insensitive, even in dampness this will work. So this would avoid the cracks over the general purpose grout, and this would enhance the it would remove the any leakages from the bore packings. So after bore packing you need to go for crack treatment. So cracks should be cut in a V-groove fashion and then apply the repair mortar. We have our own repair mortar which is Sika Monotop 122F, which is a pre-packed mortar. And after that you need to apply the coatings which is Sika Topsil 109 or 107, any cementitious products you can apply. So this is just a pictorial representation. As mentioned, it is like Zolutech technology and having better edge against even polyurea as well. It is having better crack bridging ability, and this is particularly designed for ETPs and STPs where there will be rigorous chemicals will be there. So this is designed for that rigorous environment. And it is there is no need of any protection plaster after this. You can directly apply this and you can use it directly, like water can be or any like chemicals can be spilled over it. So this is having various advantages like better crack bridging ability, and it is having chemical resistant and moisture tolerance as well. So this is the system, like the substrate should be there and then primer is applied. After that body coat, which is the complete system is known as Sika Guard 7000 CR system. So this is a small video about that. So 2-component material is there, like Sika Guard P770 is the primer which is applied initially after the surface preparation everything. Before that you need to check the moisture content, and then after that only you can apply the primer. And after application of primer, after 5 hours you can go for application of the top coat. And top coat is also applied in 2 coats, like you can get the DFT of almost 1 mm, 0.9 mm to 1 mm. So we have also like Sika Guard 7700S, which is a water repellent coating for bare concrete surface, where some structures like some offices where they require bare concrete surface, there we can use this type of Sika Guard 700S. I'll just show the video, small video, where this water repellent coating works. One video which resembles where coating is not done, and the other area where the coating is done, you can see the water is like droplets, you can see directly it is repelling, water repellent coating this is. So we also have Sika Sarnafil system, which is a TPO membrane packing as well. Just a small site application video which is applied. So this tie rod, generally in construction industry, tie rods we are doing only superficial treatments. But this chemical you can completely inject inside the complete RCC surface. So one end if you inject that, the other end it will be coming. This is a manual pump. Using the manual pump only we have done this chemical. So one end if you apply and the other end the chemical will be coming. For the hairline cracks. And we also have general purpose grout, Sika grout 214, which is a non-shrinkable grout. And it is also having strength up to 65 MPa. And repair motor, which can be applied for overhead applications up to 50 mm. This is the product where we need not require any bonding agent as well, which is Sika Emaco S348. And coming to roof and podium waterproofing, we have various products from ranging from Sika Elastic 520, which is a acrylic coatings, to PU coating and polyurea coatings as well. So I'll just go into the product description of Sika Elastic M800R. So Sika Elastic M800 is a polyurea product where you need to apply primer first and then sand broadcasting needs to be done. After that, Sika Elastic M800 is applied with a spray. This spray is applied at an like the machine will be having up to 70 degrees centigrade, and then it will react, and then on the surface it will be sprayed. So you can see the spray application, and it will set within 20 to 30 seconds. The material will be set. So these are the various scope of works and the products which we have, from HDPE to the complete total terrace up to the terrace. Yeah, schematic diagram where this is the mother slab. After the mother slab, screed is placed, and then between the gap, this is the combiflex tape, and then sealant is placed on the screed surface. So the gap should be maintained in the expansion joints. Then only, like, if there is any expansion and contraction in the structure, it will sustain. That's all. Thank you for my end.